Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock OPPO Find X8 without the password. Alright, so we have two methods how we can unlock this device without the password, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So, for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked for now, but I will tell you that you can perform this action that I'm going to show you on any other device. Actually, you'll have to, because you know that device will be locked. So the first method is by using Google Find My Device. So simply open up your browser. Now in the search bar type Find My Device. Alright, now click on Sign In, and remember to sign in into the same Google account on which you were logged in on your OPPO device. It is really important. Now simply enter your lock screen. Now find your device. You can see that the OPPO Find X8 is here, and also to do it on your device you need to have in the settings the Find My Device option enabled. If you don't have it, it won't work. Now open up your browser, click on Sign In, select your OPPO, click on Find My Device, make sure that it's enabled. You won't make it sure that it's enabled when the device is locked. So if you don't have that option enabled, don't worry. The second method, in the second method you don't need to have anything enabled, because when we are going to perform the second method, we're going to do it directly on this device. Now we have two ways to use Find My Device. I'm gonna use the web. You can also use the app. Now select your device, and now we have option to factory reset this device. So when we factory reset a device, thanks to that we will be able to delete the lock screen and we will be able to unlock our phone. But remember that all data will be erased permanently from OPPO Find. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. So that's the three things that you need to remember about. Then simply click on Next, log in into your Google account, and follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, then your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, so now the second method, just like I have told you, which is recommended when we have access to the phone, and in case when we didn't have our Find My Device enabled in the device settings. So now the screen is locked, we don't remember the pattern. So now we want to turn off our device. Let's tap volume up and the power button. Now drag into the power off. Now we need to wait a little bit. Alright, and now we need to enter the recovery mode. To do it, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time, so let's keep on holding. Alright, when the OPPO logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but just to make sure, let's keep on holding the volume down. Alright, and now to move around this menu we can use the volume keys. And if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button, but I'm going to show that you can also use your fingers. Simply click on Format Data right now, type this specific code that you can see right in here, and remember that through that process you will also lose all of your data, so have that in mind. And now click on Format. Alright, now the process has finished, data formatted, click on OK. Now the phone has been turned off, and now within a few seconds it will be again turned on, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.